Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today this is another episode of the plantain sucker multiplication. Today I want to show the final stage of the plantain multiplication. So this is the final stage. This is what I got after preparing the sucker and planting it and doing the secondary reactivation of the suckers. So this is what I got after the process. You can see it developed many banana suckers, many tiny banana suckers, which I will be transplanting today inside a nursery bag for them to grow. You can see them. Now I want to remove the main plantain cone so that I will start separating the seedlings that he produced. This is one of the plantain cone planted inside the nursery bag. So I've removed it now. You can see it has many plantain suckers or seedlings ready to be transplanted. So this process is very successful. You can see many plantain suckers to be transplanted. Let me also bring this one out. I see this one also have multiple plantain suckers on it. So you can see how successful this process is. Now you can see the seedlings. So I want to start separating them now so that I can plant them inside the nursery bag where they will start growing. So let me start one by one to start separating the seedlings. So you can see how many on this board. It's like 1, 6, 7. Just separating the seedlings so that I can plant it. You see this one still have some tiny buds still growing out. Even this one too. Now this banana cone is dead. It can no longer be reused again, so you have to discard it. You have to throw it away now. Now I am done separating the first cone. You can see how many I got. You can see how many I got from this single banana cone. Up to 30. and these small ones too. Now this is the second cone. So after removing them, this cone, you can see that is decaying already, so this can no longer be used again, so you have to throw away this cone. So this is the second sucker. You can see how many I got. So now, after separating them, I want to start transplanting them inside these poly bags now. So this is the seedlings after I've transplanted them. These are some of the seedlings that I've gotten from the plantain multiplication I did in the previous video. You can see how successful this technique is. So here, these are some of the plantain seedlings that I produced through the plantain multiplication process. This one have been growing for about a month now. Also, these ones here are ready for transplanting. I can now transplant these ones on inside the farm for them to grow. So you can see how successful this technique is. So thank you so much. Follow my channel for more videos like this. I'll be posting more videos on fruit trees.